What's going on YouTube? Modeling that back at you here. So, wanted to really do a quick tutorial video on base coat under colors to really give you an idea of what you can achieve with different, like I said, base coats. So, this body, as you can see from the underside, is naturally black. It had no surface primer put on, nothing at all. The only thing I put on, because I had a little bit extra in my airbrush at the time, was some Extreme Metals Dark Aluminum. And you might be able to notice that there's a bit of a dividing line about dead center of the windshield there. From their left to your left here is painted in the aluminum. From there to the right is left the black. I've got a couple of builds coming up that I want to use a specific color on, which is the Gravity Colors USA Hot Rod Root Beer. Now I will warn you guys, I've purchased twice now from Gravity Colors USA. The paint is great, just don't expect it within a month to 2 months. Their customer service is just trash. But sadly, they're the only ones that I know of that actually do sell this color. And like I said, the paint is beautiful, as you can see here, or you'll see here in the video. It goes down, looks absolutely gorgeous. And so in either case, though, had a couple of builds I was wanting to use this with. One is a 49 Mercury that I wanted to do in a dark kind of version of this, and then I have I believe it's a 34 Ford Roadster that I wanted to do up in this with a brighter color or a lighter tone. So as you can see, like I said, with just the glancing view off the top, that there is a bit of a dividing line. Now, if you get it in direct light, the roof was applied with enough coats that it really didn't make much of a difference of color. And the only way you can really tell that there is a difference is, like I said, the fact that just in off-light situations, you can see a minor shade lighter on this side, darker on this side. But where it can really come into play, when you can have fun with it, is like what's up here on the front fender. So let me go ahead and focus on that. I went ahead and did more of a light dusty coat, which it doesn't come across very well on the camera here, but it gives it a much darker appearance to the actual door, which again was given a heavier coat similar to the roof. Now, when we turn around here to the silver side, again, you don't see much of a difference until you get up here on the quarter panel, when I had applied fewer coats to just give a brighter hue to the color. It definitely looks different. So again, if you look at this side in the light compared to this side is obviously much darker, but it's not that big of a change unless, like I said, you apply it on a light coat. The nice thing also about this color is I found this is a great base coat for a couple of products for RC bodies, which is Spaz Stix. And you can kind of see on the quarter panel how there's a different shade, or how it kind of flips to the purple there on the two sides. This one stays a little bit more on the red side. Try to get it. But that would be the gold, green, orange, and purple one. What I went ahead and did was took the hood. Let me go ahead and actually flip these around so I can show you and hold it up. I took that base coat of root beer and applied this red gold mix on the right, which just absolutely made the color pop. And again, to give you a comparison to the original color, you have the original color here. You have that red gold there, which really just pops. And then you have the purple here on the other side, which is very visible, really gives that full chrome illusion effect that was very popular back about 15 years ago. Again, it's not something that you'll want to probably apply to every build, but this was a good color combination that I found for this, to where you had a good base coat. It only took very minuscule amounts of this paint here, which is not cheap. One of these bottles is between 8 to 12 bucks, depending on where you get it. So you definitely want to use it sparingly. But as you can see, the root beer and these top coats just laid down beautifully. I'm actually thinking, I was originally going to do this in a red. I'm still debating on the exact color combination that I want to go with. I might actually end up doing it in kind of one of these root beer colors. What I'm thinking of doing though is creating a bit of a design or something like that, and using either this Spaz Stix or the red to gold, or the gold to red. I might actually do that over the body because I absolutely like that bright kind of reddish gold color that is on that hood. So in either case, this will be the second part of the monster truck build, but just wanted to show you guys a couple of things that you can do when it comes to base coating. Like I said, here on another great location to kind of see side by side is right up here with the air vents. This side being, more lightly dusted, so it's a lot darker than this side, which had the silver lightly dusted, just to again make it a brighter color. But overall, looks gorgeous. Hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial video and informational video. If you'd like to see anything else kind of similar to this, go ahead and post in the comments below. No guarantees that I will get to it. Depends on if I would have the materials and things like that, but if it's something I think I can do, I'll definitely post below it, and then we'll try to get a video out here in the coming weeks. So have a wonderful rest of your day.